What's the meaning of CEO? CEO. CEO.
CEO. CEO. The acronym CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. This is the highest-ranking executive in a company or organization, responsible for making important decisions and managing the overall operations of the business. The CEO is typically appointed by the board of directors and is accountable to them for the company's performance. They oversee the development and implementation of strategic plans, manage budgets and resources, and ensure that the company is working towards achieving its goals. The CEO also plays a crucial role in representing the company to stakeholders and the public, and in building a strong organizational culture.